Today my new topic, that is current equation of the incoming valve of 6 pulse bridge converter. 6 pulse bridge converter, that is the current equation. That is very important topic in HVDC transmission system. So what is the current equation? First, if PD that is considered as direct power, and UD that is AC voltage, and ID considered as direct current. Then for the purpose of power control, that is maybe the following equation, that will be like this: PD equal to UD into ID. For power control can be achieved by one of the following three alternatives. Number one, that is constant UD and variable ID. That is the first condition. Second condition, that will be constant ID and variable UD. And third condition, that will be hybrid method of controlling UD and ID appropriately. So there will be three alternatives for power control. So constant UD and variable ID, that is UD means AC voltage and ID is direct current. This method has a disadvantage, that during short circuit on DC lines, short circuit current reach a very high value. However, advantage are low current for low power and low I square R loss. That is very low I square R loss. And constant direct current and variable AC voltage, this method has disadvantage that the direct current is constant irrespective of load. So the I square R loss also constant corresponding to the full load value. As AC voltage is variable, so AC voltage to have very wide range which is beyond permissible limit of AC systems. So this method is not used. So hybrid method controlling AC voltage and direct current. This method combines advantage of 1 and 2. This method comprises control of UD1 and UD2 simultaneously, so that the control of ID, that is direct current, given by the equation, that is ID, that will be UD1 minus UD2 by R, where UD1 that is the sending end direct voltage in volts, and UD2 that is the receiving end direct voltage in volts. So there will be PDC, that will be UDC into IDC. That is the this direct current and AC voltage, where UDC, that will be UD1 plus UD2 by 2, where ID, that is the generally controlled by rectifier constant current controller setting, and UD2 is generally controlled by inverter natural voltage characteristics corresponding to the UDID characteristics of inverter with minimum extinct ion in angle limit setting. UD1 is held, that will be UD1 equal to UD2 plus ID into R. So the current in the link, that will be like this: UD1, that will be equal to UD1 minus UD2 by R. This UD1, that is the voltage at rectifier end, and UD2, that is the voltage at inverter end. So UD1, that is ID, current in the rectifier. So the power flow, that is PD1, that will be like this: UD1 into ID1, and PDC, that will be UD2 into I into D, ID. So the difference is, that is the line loss. So the line loss, that will be ID square into R. So the intersecting characteristics of rectifier, say 1, and inverter, say 2, under normal mode, that will be like this: that is UD and that is ID. So the characteristics like this. This is called delta I4. This is R1, this is S1. This will be T2 and T1, corresponding ID2 and ID1, and that is the inverter mode, and that will be the CCC of rectifier, and that is also rectifier CDA, and that is NVC of inverter, that is CEA. That point will be like A, and this is 1. So 1, that will be say as rectifier, and 2, that will be called as a inverter under normal mode. So due to a small value of DC line resistance R and absence of reactance XL, a small change in between UD1 and UD2 can bring about large change in ID and therefore in PDC also. So this respect is used for quick and accurate control of power flow through an HVDC link. So power flow is controlled by changing the difference between sending end voltage and receiving end voltage, so as to change value of direct current. Two means are available for achieving the difference of UD1 minus UD2 and thereby changing PD1. So that will be tap change control and tap change control and control of delay angle alpha. There is a two type of control to achieve the current equation. So thank you for watching the video.